Your question is the writ which may be filed for protection of right to personal freedom is. Your options are A. Mandamus, B. Quo warranto, C. Habeas corpus, or D. certiorari. Right answer is C. Habeas corpus. Your question is which one of the following constitutional remedies is also known as post-mortem? Your options are A. Prohibition, B. Mandamus, C. Certiorari, D. Quo warranto, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Your question is the scope of the Article 21 of the Constitution was expanded to include right to education because of the decision of Supreme Court in the case. Your options are A. Unni Krishnan vs. Andhra Pradesh, B. Govind vs. State of Madhya Pradesh, C. Parmanand Qatar vs. Union of India, or D. Chameli Singh vs. State of Uttar Pradesh. Right answer is A. Unni Krishnan vs. Andhra Pradesh. Your question is by which of the following case Parliament got the right to amend fundamental rights? Your options are A. Keshwanand Bharti case, B. Raj Narayan vs. Indira Gandhi case, C. Golaknath's case, or D. Sajjan Singh case. Right answer is A. Keshwanand Bharti case. Your question is select the correct chronological order of the following judgments dealing with fundamental rights. A. Golaknath vs. State of Punjab, B. Keshwanand Bharti vs. State of Kerala, C. Minerva Mills vs. Union of India, or D. A.K. Gopalan vs. State of Madras. Select the correct answer. A. D. B. C. A, B. A. B. C. D, C. D. A. B. C, or D. D. C. B. A. Right answer is C. DABC. A.K. Gopalan vs. State of Madras, Golaknath vs. State of Punjab, Keshwanand Bharti vs. State of Kerala, Minerva Mills vs. Union of India. Your question is which one of the following cases outline the basic structure doctrine of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Gopalan vs. Madras State, B. Golaknath vs. Punjab State, C. Keshwanand Bharti vs. Kerala State, or D. None of these. Right answer is C. Keshwanand Bharti vs. Kerala State. Your question is read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Right to property was deleted from the list of fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment Act 1978. Statement 2. Right to property was made a legal right under Article 300A in Part 12 of the Constitution. Your options are A. Statement 1 is true but Statement 2 is false. B. Statement 1 is false but Statement 2 is true. C. Statement 1 and Statement 2 both are true. Or D. Statement 1 and Statement 2 both are false. Right answer is C. Statement 1 and Statement 2 both are true. Your question is right to property is a. Your options are A. Fundamental right, B. Natural right, C. Statutory right, or D. Legal right. Right answer is D. Legal right. Your question is which of the following Amendment Act of the Constitution deleted the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? Your options are A. 37th Constitution Amendment Act 1975, B. 38th Constitution Amendment Act 1975, C. 44th Constitution Amendment Act 1978, or D. 42nd Constitution Amendment Act 1976. Right answer is C. 44th Constitution Amendment Act 1978. Your question is by which of the following right to property has been omitted? Your options are A. 40th Amendment of Constitution, B. 42nd Amendment of Constitution, C. 44th Amendment of Constitution, or D. 46th Amendment of Constitution. Right answer is C. 44th Amendment of Constitution.